Namaste everyone. Welcome to a new episode on our channel Craft Bunker. As it is said, creativity never ends, and so does our effort to bring you the best of art and craft. Together, we have explored many horizons in making diyas, dream catchers, mirror art, and many more. So, if you want to add more creativity to your home, please go to our channel Craft Bunker, subscribe it, and press the bell button for all the new updates. So today in this video, we'll be making rope decoration. For this we need wooden plank, thick rope, golden acrylic spray. For this you can use any color, hot glue gun, scissor. For this DIY we can use any shape wooden plank or MDF material. So let's start with today's DIY. For this we need thick rope for making the design. Start to stick the rope with hot glue gun for this. Gum is not recommended for this DIY as it can take a longer time to dry. Make beautiful patterns with the rope. We can make mandala art with this technique. For this use jute thread or sutli. After finishing the design, spray acrylic color or net and let it dry. We can use any color spray for it. And as we can see, a rope decoration on wooden plank is ready. It can be used as table decoration or wall decoration. It looks so beautiful and adds a nice color to your home. So what are you guys waiting for? Start making it with your friends and family. And if you've enjoyed it, please keep watching our channel and subscribe it and click on the bell button. So see you soon. Bye. Namaste.